Welcome back to Smart Choice Reviews Tech. Today, we're diving deep into Samsung's brand new Galaxy A16, the latest addition to the company's affordable yet feature-packed series. If you've been searching for a budget-friendly smartphone that balances performance, style, and long-lasting battery life, you'll definitely want to stick around until the end of this video. We'll cover everything you need to know: the design, display, performance, cameras, battery, software, and of course, whether it's worth your money compared to other phones in the same price range. Design and build quality. Let's start with the design. The Galaxy A16 keeps Samsung's signature minimalist look with slim bezels, a matte finish back, and a triple camera setup arranged vertically. It's made of polycarbonate, which makes it lightweight but still durable. The phone feels comfortable in the hand, and Samsung has once again managed to give an entry-level device a premium look. The phone comes in several colors, including classic black, light blue, and lavender, appealing to both professional and casual users. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor is responsive, and the overall ergonomics make it easy to use with one-hand display. Moving on to the display. The A16 features a 6.6-inch PLES LCD panel with a resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels, offering full HD plus clarity. What stands out this year is the 90 Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animation smoother than on previous series models. This is a great upgrade for social media browsing, gaming, and streaming. Brightness levels are decent, maxing out at around 600 nits, which is good enough for outdoor use, though not as bright as Samsung's AMOLED panels found in higher-end models. Overall, for the price point, this display is sharp, colorful, and fluid, perfect for everyday tasks. Performance and hardware under the hood. The Galaxy A16 runs on the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, paired with up to 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. For an entry-level smartphone, this setup handles daily multitasking, browsing, and light gaming with ease. Popular games like Mobile Legends, PUBG Mobile, and Call of Duty run smoothly at medium settings. Thanks to the optimized GPU performance, storage can be expanded with a microSD card, giving users flexibility if they need more space for apps, photos, and videos. The phone also supports dual SIM for grams LTE connectivity, Bluetooth 5.1, and a headphone jack, which many users still appreciate. It may not be a flagship-level powerhouse, but the Galaxy A16 is reliable and efficient for its category. Cameras. Now let's talk about the cameras. The Galaxy A16 features a triple lens setup, a 50-megapixel main camera with decent low-light performance, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide lens for capturing landscapes and group shots, a 2-megapixel depth sensor for portrait mode. In daylight, photos come out sharp, vibrant, and true to life. With Samsung's well-known color tuning, the ultra-wide lens is a welcome addition for budget users, although details can sometimes look soft. Portrait shots benefit from the depth sensor, producing a natural bokeh effect, though edge detection isn't always perfect. On the front, you get a 13-megapixel selfie camera, which performs well in good lighting. Video recording is capped at 108p 30 fps, which is more than enough for casual use and social media content creation. Overall, the A16 cameras won't rival flagship devices, but they deliver solid results for the price. Battery life and charging. Battery is where the Galaxy A16 really shines. It comes with a 5,000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day and a half of heavy use, or even 2 full days for light users. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or browsing, this phone won't die on you halfway through the day. The device supports 25W fast charging, which is a step up from older A-series models. Charging from 0 to 50% takes around 40 minutes, and a full charge takes about 90 minutes. For a budget device, this battery performance is a major win. Software and features. The Galaxy A16 runs on Android 14 with One UI Core 6.0, Samsung's streamlined version of its interface for budget devices. You'll still get key One UI features such as split-screen multitasking, dark mode, and Samsung's well-organized settings menu. Samsung has also promised 2 years of major Android updates and 4 years of security patches, which is great news for budget-conscious buyers who don't want their phone to feel outdated too quickly. Bloatware is kept to a minimum, and overall performance is smooth and responsive. Price and value. Now let's talk about value. The Galaxy A16 is priced at around $180 to $200, depending on your region. At this price point, it competes directly with devices like the Redmi Note series and Realme Narzo series. While those phones may offer AMOLED displays or slightly faster processors, Samsung counters with better long-term software support, reliable build quality, and brand trust. For anyone who prioritizes battery life, a smooth display, and a trusted brand ecosystem, the Galaxy A16 is a very smart choice. So, should you buy the Samsung Galaxy A16? If you're looking for a budget-friendly phone with a sleek design, strong battery life, decent cameras, and long-term software support, then yes, the A16 is a fantastic option in 2025. It's not the most powerful device, but for the average user, it gets the job done without breaking the bank. That wraps up our full review of the Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming reviews here on Smart Choice Reviews Tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.